If you're interested in traveling on a budget and seeing the world through your own eyes, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the like button because you're going to love this video. It's about taking a cooking class when you travel abroad. And I call it How You Cookin'. I gotta tell you, if you really want to have an amazing experience when you travel abroad, take a cooking class. While in Hanoi, Vietnam, that's what we decided to do for our Thanksgiving getaway vacation. While at the airport, we booked this excursion with the Viet cooking class and restaurant. And the next day, we were greeted and picked up at our hotel on time by our trusty chef Ching and his trusty English-speaking assistant Rosa. Afterwards, we headed straight to the markets. And let me tell you, those markets are hustle bustle and they sell everything. We were able to purchase all of the items that we needed to cook our meal for that evening. First, we selected and purchased all of our fresh produce, and afterwards we went straight for the fresh seafood. That's our chef. He's showing us those live prawns.
Say hi to her.
Hello, hello. Don't eat me, don't eat me.
Eat me, eat me.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, he's fighting.
Yeah.
He's like, no, no, no.
No, please.
He's
no,
smart.
No, please, no.
Wow.
Yeah, make him do that dance again.
Oh my gosh, you're crazy. Wow. And squiddies down there, and squid, and that's a big fish over there, man. Those are some big fish.
Ở đây chúng 15 chả cá lá vọng này.
Wow.
This to make chả cá lá vọng is a grilled fish.
Oh, wow. Okay. Okay.
Họ tưởng dạy món này họ à?
À không,
Okay.
không tưởng phải làm.
Whatever y'all say. Oh.
Don't have enough time to make chicken.
Bao nhiêu?
Oh.
Oh.
Pick him up.
Yeah, you don't like him, so.
He's like, help me, help me, help me.
He's like, you don't like me? Take
Why
this.
not me? Why don't you choose me? Come on, why you like fish more than me?
That's hilarious.
He's trying to get you.
Thế anh định làm món gì cho bà ấy?
That's
Có thể
hilarious.
cá rán hay cá gì?
Có làm được món gì khác
She got that joker while he was alive.
từ hấp là gì?
What did she do to kill him?
She's getting this. She's scraping all the scales off of him now. I don't know, but honey.
Wasn't he just swimming?
Yes, he was. He's gone now. His little soul has left his little body.
What do you want? Steam fish or fried fish? Fried, okay.
Hấp
Cá
à?
rán anh ạ.
À, yeah.
Okay, he got it.
Is it dead? Ooh, that was crazy. And afterwards, we were able to sit down and wrap up our shopping by having snacks with the local cooks in the market. We're having an experience.
Yes, this is for you.
Oh, wow.
And you put it in the
On the chair?
Yeah.
Okay.
And try.
Ooh.
And can you take this? I will help
Okay,
you.
cool.
Don't worry, don't
Here we
worry.
go. It's making a movie.
Hi.
We're eating.
Yeah.
We're having fun. I'm sitting. How low can you go? I don't know if I'll be able to get up, but it's okay. Because I'm eating.
Okay. Time to join.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, keep eating. I will.
Em ngồi ăn cùng luôn đi.
À thôi.
Hit the
Em
stop.
không ăn á?
Không.
Không ăn là sao họ ăn được?
See the button in the middle?
Em phải ăn chứ.
You gotta stop.
Em phải ăn á.
Anh cũng phải ăn.
Okay, it's okay.
Let me see.
Okay, chef, let's have a
And
picture.
then afterwards, we headed straight to the restaurant, which was atop a beautiful hotel in Hanoi. Ching and Rosa were both super professionals who had an amazing sense of humor and super patient with both of us and our cooking skills. Okay, so I'm gonna take these like this.
Đấy, quay nét nha.
Oh, I gotta cut them real thin like that. Like that? Is that right?
Thầy đứt nhá, bạn thầy đứt nhất này.
It's okay?
Cut it off.
Okay.
Okay.
I want a knife to go. Yeah. You can't get this knife on the airplane.
Be careful.
Okay, like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. That's all.
No.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna cut you.
No.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm not cut nobody's fingers off. Go to jail. What happened? We were cooking and I cut his finger off. When? Oh, very good.
Very good for you.
Good job.
Excellent.
A mango salad.
Make it good because
Look at the shrimp. They're dead. They're ready for the plate. Ready for the plate.
Kệ cho học xong dàn đi.
you want to try it. Mango. Mango.
Ừ.
Mango.
Okay, I'm gonna try mango. Let's try mango.
Not sure.
Yes. Your mango carrot salad. Oh my god.
Ui sao?
Okay, now it's cucumber.
Counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Ờ,
It's on pause right now, so you hit that. Okay.
Ok.
It's
Yeah.
4 minutes.
Not much memory. Okay. Little memory.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't take the center because it will not.
Afterwards, we sat down to an amazing, delicious, fresh cooked meal for our Thanksgiving. The next time you travel abroad, don't shortchange yourself. Take a cooking class. You will not regret it.